Look at the place, beautiful city, look exclusive here. There's some restaurant near to the beach. This is how you jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm at the center of Coruña and the middle of waves. You see behind I have Atlantic. Beautiful city is the center part. I have arrived. I have a couple of videos here and there. Look at the place. Beautiful city. Look exclusive here. There's some restaurant near to the beach. Beautiful water, very strong. Here you have beach, not that long beach, but all around, I should say, is fine the size. From here is a round beach till there all the way. Coruña is one of the most northern city of Spain, in Galicia region. Okay. It's a beautiful place. You see the water, let me go a little bit close. See the stone and the color of water. Wow, Atlantic. You have directly other part you have islands. Coruña has a big influence of Irish culture. There I can show you little bit peak of Hercules. That is the tower of Hercules. You can see little bit peak. If you want to see more about Tower of Hercules, check my next video. Wow, beautiful guys. You must come here to enjoy this view. Magnificent. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.